Hello Wildcats, this is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today, first off, I wanted to let you know that several of our Wayside staff members are part of the Wayside Staff Reading Challenge. So they are reading too. So ask them what they're reading, encourage them to read, and tell them what your favorite books are so that we can all be reading partners together. Also remember when you are checking out books that we are no longer using the due date card. So if your book has the little paper due date stamp thing in the back, you need to make sure that you leave that in the book when you turn your books in. Okay, so today I'm sharing with you Powerless by Matthew Cody. In this book, Daniel moves to a new town with his family. The town is called Nobles Green, the safest town on earth. Sounds pretty lame. But Daniel quickly realizes that his friends are not lame. One of them can fly, one of them can make himself invisible, and one of them has this weird ability to do things with electricity. They are, in fact, the town's superheroes, and it is their responsibility to make sure that this is the safest town. However, their powers are fading. Whenever they turn 13 years old, they lose their powers, and they have no memory of ever having the powers at all. So why is it that they are starting to lose their powers? It has something to do with a supervillain. To find out what happens, read Powerless. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.